Teshay Makeda. Ooh, big up that knee, yes. You got to move in. Ooh, I. Ooh, I. Ooh, I. Ooh, I. My body is moving and grooving again. Rocking to the rhythm, can you feel it again? I can feel the bass, can you see me skanking? Calling all the spirits and I call it again. My body is moving and grooving again. Rocking to the rhythm, can you move it again? Calling all the spirit and you feel it again. Calling all this energy, I feel it again. You know when you really don't know how to move into your rhythm and your flow. I might do the dance and I move the shadow out of my body. I feel it rainbow. I can feel the healing as it moves and it grows. Moving all this energy, it moves and it flows. Calling it in as I feel it all over me. I feel it, I grow. My body is moving and grooving again. Rocking to the rhythm, can you feel it again? I can feel the bass, can you see me skanking? Calling all this energy, I call it again. My body is moving and grooving again. Rocking to the rhythm, can you see the healing? Skanking to the bass line, don't watch my waistline. Hey, 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 we call it clearing. I know where I'm coming from, you can't see. Coming from the islands of the West Indies. Water is a rhythm through the currency. Oh, 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 oh. Africa's my roots in the 7 seas. We've been in the game since for centuries. Feel it all the way from my ancestry. Oh, oh, oh. You know when you really don't know how to move into your rhythm and your flow. I might do the dance and I move the shadow out of my body. I feel it rainbow. I can feel the healing as it moves and it flow. Moving all this energy, it moves and it grows. Calling it in as I feel it all over me. I feel it grow. My body is moving. My body is grooving. Feel it in the bassline. Feel it in your waistline. My body is moving. My body is grooving. Feel it in the spirit. Oh, you can hear it. Shake your body. Oh, you got to move your body. Move your body. Move your body. Move your body. Oh, 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 what you call it? Moving. Oh, what you call it? Moving. Oh, what we call it? Medicine. Oh, what we call it? Alchemizing. Oh, what we call it? Healing. Oh, what we call it? Feeling. Oh, what we call it? Vibration. Oh, what we call it? Liberation now. You know when you really don't know how to move into your rhythm and your flow. I might do the dance and I move the shadow out of my body. I feel it rainbow. I can feel this healing as it moves and it grows. Moving all this energy, it moves and it flows. Calling it